Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh, known as Fijian Traders. NIO, ticker symbol NIO, NIO. What a day. I love the days like this where we have some, you know, a, not a great, not a bad, very a mellow day. And it is great why I'm going to tell you, folks. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to talk on the technical side. I'm going to talk about the fundamentals, the news breakout, about the board of directors, where we heading on the call options and the put, and also how much I'm invested. Yes, folks. So stay tuned, right, on the videos and how much I want to share you how much I invested in this company for been trading it from 2018, where it's been a long time I hold the stock, lock some profit time and time, and now I'm at a situation that it is gonna be holding for long. It's not that I'm on red. It is because the discounted price it is right now and how much the growth level this company has produced. So let's go. So we opened up today, went low of $7.73, came high right back to $6, could reject it quickly as expected, and then we kind of traded upwards after a drop down from the pre-market, and we closed the day, kind of like I said, it was a mellow day, and we closed from the previous close was 17 cents less from 2.867%. After market it is around 2.87 cents, just a 7 cents up, right? We have about half an hour left for the after market to close. Okay, before I jump on the technical side, the key pattern we discussed in the previous video to see if it's get rejected or goes kind of breakout. Love to see it broke out. Let's talk on the fundamental side and quickly discuss where we the news that broke out right today, that about the two board directors, NIO, the Pinnacle leading company, and the premium. I don't like this color, so I'm going to go back. The premium electric start vehicle with today, and Mr. announces that Mr. Eddie George Scarf and Mr. Paul McCollings has been appointed the new directors of the company for the board of directors, effective on March 7, 2024. In addition, James Jordan Mitchell has resigned the board, resigned as the director of the company's effective on that. Some shift. Love the shift on the company, right? Hey, if nobody, big dogs are not working, another big dog is coming on that. I know there's a lot of rumor about Lee William. He is not going anywhere, folks. He is not going. He's a very smart guy, and he has to listen to people in order to make effective decisions. Sometimes it's not good or great, right? It either works, and you have to bring fresh blood, fresh set of eyes in the company of appointing two board, replacing for one out of for two. Love it, right? More opportunities on that. So Mr. George Scarf held the position as chief investment CEO of CY VN Holdings since May 2023, and also been the director of the freight in and Forsen Limited in since 2023. So very massive and great bio actually. So a little bit about him. I don't want to spend too much time on that. About the board of directors, the second one was Mr. Nicholas Powell, served as the chief executive for Forsen Limited in since 2024. Prior to this role, Mr. Colling worked as a Jaguar Land Rover from 2015 to 2023 in various capacities, including the director for both Jaguar and Land Power Limited. So he's coming back from a automotive industry. That's great. That's great, right? And he has, and at the end of his resume kind of pronounced me more on the cost of operating, right? Because we need to know how we need NIO to cut down their costs in order to generate revenue. That's a basic. Their cost is really high for making these vehicles, and it's not, and they need more funds to cover it because the operating expense is high. Okay, this is not on any call video, which I'm going to do later, which already have my notes ready for that. But Mr. Nicholas Powell has a lot of experience, right? And his article is on Yahoo too, so Google it, search it. I'm not going to go over on that because they're two board of directors, fully invested, and in the fully invested too. I'm sure they're fully well equipped to run and be the part of decision makers of NIO. I'm excited about it. One more thing, I want to, a couple more things. Call options, right? Where we at, you see on that call options, you can clearly see we have a couple of calls that's going to be executed tomorrow, actually, not on Friday, and it's about 13, 9, right? Sorry, 41 on the volume. So it's a pretty high, not super high, but pretty high on that, right? Kind of dictates the price where it's going to be trending upwards and downwards. Quickly look on the put options. Let's see the volume on the put options. They are very less, right? Very less put options right here. So not a high volume of a put option. So everybody, even the market is indicating it is for in signal for an uptrend. As we know, the target price, nothing changes much. I'm sure everybody has their own target price, which is an up $18, right? 70 cents is the high. Average is 10.55, $8. We're not even close to $8 yet as our low target. So a lot of room to left, lot of gains to be made, right? Which I love it. Let's talk on the technical side before I share what is my portfolio look like. So I want to show it with you guys because I'm invested in with you guys. I want part of your family, and I'm gonna be sharing what I'm gonna be doing and how I'm gonna be keep loading more shares down to the road too, right? And I want to share, right? I want to share with you guys because I think it is to be known that I'm not just doing this video a hell of it, but I'm invested on it, and I've been along 2018. I know this stock, how it behaved, and everything on that. So, what are we looking at, right? So, our 5 days, right? Clearly, we talked about in my previous videos, kind of trading with the channel, and it broke out. So today, let's go back actually 3 months. 3 months where we talked about it. We spent a majority of time. We talked about my pink line sitting over here is my 200-day EMA, right? 200 EMA is sitting right up here, and it acted as a massive resistance level. Even my purple line, which is the 60-day EMA, you can see that one, it was a big, got rejected once, twice, and 3 times. Now we're finally kind of trading above that, which I like about it. But yes, there's a big but coming, folks. We have some selling was going on. That's why I kind of pulled it. I love to kind of and the blue line cross over yellow. I just want to see a bigger bars over here before we keep this momentum up high, right? So like I said, I'll be seeing trading in between these two levels. So $6.36, $6.36, and my purple line is right here, right? Which is sitting at $5.70. $5.70 sitting here. So you won't be trading in between this channel to have a breakout, which I can clearly see that, folks. We go high of $6.36, we're getting rejected quickly, and we'll see a movement on RSI. But RSI still have a lot of room to left. MACD just is showing a little bit of selling it. Nothing as confirmation yet, right? It can change in a second, in a bit, like that in a couple of days. But I'll be seeing it trading in between this channel. Quickly, gonna go back to one year to date before I let you guys go. Oh no, before I'm going to show you what's my portfolio. There we go. So year to date, that was the thing I'm talking about where we have a green momentum. So I'm going to take this, a drop over here to see. The bar that's showing was a downtrend. Now it is trending up a little bit. Green momentum come over here, and I talked my previous video. Hey folks, it is crossing over. So you might see an RSI dip over here, and tomorrow it's going to go test again. So a lot of signals pointing upwards. It's bullish momentum, but it's not a confirmation bullish, right? We want to see where this stock is heading. 3 months, like I said, right here, it'll be trading in between this channel, right? Up, down, testing up, getting rejected. Breakthrough will be great. And once you have it, then we'll go up because this is a bull flag pattern generation coming up, but it's not a confirmation yet. So, folks, let's talk about what I have on my portfolio, and we quickly wrap it up the video. So NIO, I do these videos, a lot of stocks that I'm invested on. This is the stock that I am invested heavily on. NIO, you can clearly see that it is right here, and you can see my channel too that I do videos on this. So nothing too crazy. I'm still up about barely even anything, where I have been loading shares down to it. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy, and this is where I stand on that, right? And my goal is to add twice as much I can, right, on these shares, but we'll see how it goes. I'm part of you guys. You can see my portfolio. It is down a little bit on that. Nothing crazy. Still up and down in a couple of those, but this is the part that I want to share with you guys that I'm part of you guys. I've invested in where I stand on that, right? With one family, if you're a bull in long-term investor, I would like to share it. But let's, folks, keep an eye. $6.36. What is the next support level? Sitting right here. So, which is going to be this purple line right here, which is our 60-day EMA, sitting right on top at $5.75, sitting right on top of it, right? So see if it's gonna break right up here. Actually, it's $5.58. Correction, $5.81, really right here. So if you broke through, then we know our $5.53 magic number was gonna come down, right? So here go, folks. Wrap it up. Everything looking good. We'll see you on Thursday. No, sorry, on Friday. I'm doing the next video on Friday. So stay tuned on the recap of the week, how we did it. Share with you guys my thoughts right after the market closes. I'm going to do a quick recap of the whole week. What are we looking at it? Where we standing? Where we, the support level, resistance, news, earnings coming up, which is going to be a roller coaster ride. So buckle up, folks. There's going to be a long days to the March 21st. Where is the new earnings coming up? So stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Without you, I can't do it, and I really appreciate that. Thanks. Have a good day.